Hey YouTube, it's Buckbuster coming at you. It's Thursday, May 5th. Happy Cinco de Mayo to everybody. I just got a few ammo scores I want to share with you. Old school style. First one is courtesy of Motorman 0057. He hooked me up with this old style Winchester white box 235. Appreciate it, man, really do. I was so happy to get this. Next, an old school 333 before they were called white trash. Very, very nice. And last but not least, old school Fed Reds. I'm not sure how old these are, but same barcode. Just real tickled to get this also. No receipts, but possession is 9/10 of the law, so they're mine. And they're real. Adding to the collection. Appreciate you guys watching. Talk at you later. Buckbuster. Out.